Ever wondered how some people seem to have a knack for attracting financial prosperity? Could it be that they possess some secret knowledge and understanding of the universe's abundant nature that most of us are yet to discover? Today, we're going to delve into powerful affirmations that can help to unlock the doors to your own financial abundance. First and foremost, say out loud, "I am worthy of abundance." This is not a mere statement, it's an affirmation, a truth that you must believe in. The universe is a vast, abundant place, and you, as a part of it, deserve to share in its wealth. Next, affirm, "I am open to receiving wealth." This is an invitation to the universe. By saying this, you're stating that you are ready and willing to receive the financial blessings that are waiting for you. It's about releasing any fears or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back and welcoming the flow of money into your life with open arms. Now say, "I attract opportunities for wealth." In this affirmation, you're visualizing yourself drawing in opportunities to increase your wealth. You're seeing yourself as someone who confidently grabs these chances and succeeds. You're affirming that wealth is always within your grasp. Next up, "I am a money magnet." With this powerful statement, you're affirming that money comes to you easily and effortlessly. You're acknowledging that you have an innate ability to attract financial prosperity. Feel the pull of wealth, drawing you towards a life of financial success. Finally, affirm, "I am grateful for my wealth." This is a statement of appreciation. By expressing gratitude for the wealth you already possess and for the wealth that is yet to come, you're opening the doors to even greater abundance. You're fostering a mindset that appreciates and celebrates the riches you have. In summary, these wealth affirmations are not just words. They are powerful statements that can help you align with the energy of abundance. By saying them with conviction and truly feeling them in your soul, you're signaling to the universe that you're ready to receive financial prosperity. Make these affirmations a part of your daily routine and watch as the universe responds in kind. And there we have it. We've explored the empowering affirmations that can help pave your path to financial abundance. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe for more content that empowers and inspires. Always remember, you possess the power to manifest financial prosperity and create the life you've always dreamt of.